Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Our work on the GL 2010 or 12 GL Mercedes-Benz, the transmission control module that it say need a programming. We tried to program that transmission control module because the U code was something different. So let's go ahead and see what happened and what we did. Okay, again, the GL450 that we were working on it the first time. This is gonna be the second video. This is 2010. This valve body here, the valve body itself is this one here is the original one. And this one here is the one that yesterday we tried to communicate and he give us U code. And the reason why we're getting U code sometimes communicate, sometimes not, when they put this one here or when they try to take it, for some reason they damage the connector. That's where when we try to communicate or we try to diagnose this car, it say computer not program it, because it just not program it. It's thinking like no programming, no data, but it's supposed to say computer not program it, and it's supposed to give you option to go back and ask for code, but it shouldn't give you U code. U code because this, and even the owner says sometimes start. That means sometimes it connect, sometimes not, and this is what happened. Even when I try to transfer the information by using normal hotel, read the information and write it back, I was not able to do it. So this is one of the reasons that we took the old piece that he has it already, the older one, and we put it into the new valve body. So now we're gonna go and see what is gonna be happening. I'm gonna go to the car now. Let me just go clean my hands so I don't want to dirt the car. I'll be back. Okay, we are inside the car like before. Please, if you don't watch, if you watch the video, the first video and this is the second video, each one that you are in, try to watch the other one. Okay, now I have SRS light on. I have no check engine light on. We are in auto logic. We're gonna go to the transmission. We are going to diagnose this car. Here, what I need to do, I gotta go to diagnose, accept their disclaimer, Mercedes-Benz. Okay, I will go here. This is the car, continue. As of 06/2008. Please wait. I believe this car is supposed to work fine, so I'm gonna go to drive. I will go to engine. Let me see control unit. Okay, that's good. I want to see if there's any faulty on the engine control module. There is 3 codes. No message received from the control unit transmission. Are those present or? And I have the diagnosis of intake manifold and also some other fault. I'm gonna go back and clear those codes. 0 before they never go away. I gotta go back to transmission now. This transmission belongs to the car itself. Control unit version, everything is there. ETC7G, Simon. Next. That's the part number also is there. Back. Back, I just need to see what fault memory. Before, as soon as I go into the fault memory, it say this car have certain code. Read. Gear impulsible, transmission is slippery. The start enable signal was not issued by control drive authorization. Faulty integrated transmission control unit. The gear impulsible, transmission slippery, communication control unit traction. Before, I don't have all this. I am not able even to communicate with the other one. I will clear all these codes and then start the car. Hello? Yeah. No, I just try to.
Running high, so I'm just...
No, I just try to check it. Before, this is 722.9. There is nothing now. Okay, I have another thing that, let me see actual value. Okay. So now everything is activated. Yes, yes, yes. Control unit version, I have everything there. So now what you need to do, if you want to do programming, maybe you start it from here. But I am good now with these tools. I have no problem. We're gonna drive this car. Before you remember, as soon as I click here, it take me right away to do the programming. And the problem was that because the computer was completely disconnected. And when I tried to read it and code it also, I was not able to do anything. I was not able to read the computer. I read the information from all one to transfer it. It was not transferable. Okay, I'm done with this one. I just want to go to body now to see what happened to the airbag, because I have an airbag light on and I have a message here say SRS malfunction, front left service required. So let's see what is the requirement here on the airbag. This is the airbag control unit. It shows you what happened, what is the part number also. Bash, go back, faulty memory, read it, this one code, the resistance value in the ignition circuit containing component R. Now when you have this code like this, ignition skip, driver ETR ignition skip. What you need to do is to go and write down R12-1 /1. It tells you exactly what part is that, and the code also is here. Hold on. So in this one here, in order for you to know what exactly, you're going to take this code B1240, and then to make it more clear, you're going to go to R12. This is a component number. If you put it on, it will show you what it is and what you need to be with it and where you can get the part and what the part look like. But it says driver ETR ignition skip is too high. It could be this one here, the resistor on the seat belt. It could be something, but you can go, okay, also you can go here, actual value. Hold on. Ignition, because it talk about ignition. Driver. You see here, those are all good. You see the value are good. So it is not the ETR, the one that we're talking about. Let me see what was the code is. It say the part number. So let me see the fault. It will give us exactly, we know which one is bad, or the value also can tell us. Read, you say ETR, the component R12-1. So we're gonna go back, we're gonna read the component R12-1. Actual value, maybe on the seat buckle. Seat buckles, no, not this one here. Ignition circuit, Let me see here. Those are good. R12-5 is good. R12-4 is good. R12-40, they all good. You see the ohms, the from 1.7 to 6, which they are good. So now go back and see the side airbag. They all good. You see, they all reading good. You see R12, 12, 11, 10, 9. So that's not the piece. Side airbag. They all good. ETR 12, 11, 10. So where is this one? So let me go to this one. This one also look good. Emergency retractor. Yes. Look here. Front driver buckle. ETR R45. You see here? 6.62. All the others are good. Even the part number that they give it to us, it look like it wrong. Here R45, R46-1. That means this computer here sometimes it doesn't give you the right accurate information. So we know that based on this one here is a front driver buckle ETR, buckle ETR R45 is supposed to read from 1.20-500, not over that, but you see here 6, almost 7. It's supposed to be between 1.2 to 5. So this is a problem. You're gonna look for it, see what it is, and change it, or look at the wire before you do anything. Thank you for watching Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe, share, and like. We are going to drive test the car and see what happened. Thank you.